This is Isabella's puppies. They were born on the 30th, January 30th. The puppies will be up for sale when they're ready. AKC purebred German Shepherd puppies.
Listen, give me a call. I don't know what you're talking about. I mean, we can take videos and put them on YouTube.
Mama Isabella. Yes, that's Isabella and her puppies. Bear. 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 There's the proud daddy. There's Bear. Hi, Bear. He's standing outside watching.